Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you regarding OLT speaking role play. Okay, so today's role play is based on patient's home. That means a home visit role play, and mainly these types of role plays are known case. So is mainly a patient underwent ileostomy procedure and recovery of the patient. So I will give you some idea how to deal with this type of role plays. So well, I will read background like this. You visit your 68 years old patient who recently underwent a ileostomy procedure to assess her recovery progress. You are visiting her to provide guidance on ileostomy care, address any concern she may have, and ensure she is adapting well to life with a ileostomy bag. Okay, so this is the background history. From the background history, we can think that it is a known case or an unknown case. So now friends, this is a known case, and in known case also there are two types of cases, like first category and the second category. So well, in first category mainly nurse and patient, they will interact first time. So for example, like any doctor give you an advice to go to the patient's home, communicate with the patient. And in second category, there is having taking care of the patient, means help to construct. These types of categories, mainly first and second, will help you to construct your introduction well. Okay, so this role play is mainly second category role play, means there is no need to give your introduction here. Okay, so now I will tell you regarding the first task is confirm the reason for your visit, that is post-operative care, and find out how she feel about the discharge. So friends, before this, in a known case, we have to ask name of the patient, and please write it on one side of the paper so that it will help you during your role play. As once you start your speaking, you will confuse or miss this name, so please, it is very important if for you to write this name on one side of the paper, and in known case you can ask this name within the 3 minutes which you have given for your preparation. Okay, so suppose in our role play, so Miss Susan is the name of the patient. So we can ask from, we can start our sentence like this: Miss Susan, how are you feeling today? I am so sorry to hear that you are a bit nervous. So as here is confirm the reason for your visit post operative care. So we can tell the patient like this: now I am here, so please don't worry, I will do the needful. Miss Susan, I am here to guide you. Okay, so like this we can construct the sentences. And as here they have also asked find out how she feel after discharge. So we can say, so tell me Miss Susan, how do you feel after your discharge? So like this we can construct a sentence. And now I will tell you regarding the second task. Find out how she has been coping since the surgery, and in bracket journal well-being, discomfort and pain, etc. So, well, friends, we can start like this. Miss Susan, also tell me how are you coping since your surgery? Along with this, please tell me according about your journal health. So we can ask these all questions with the split method. Okay, don't ask all the question within a single sentence. Okay, so next, when these all answers will be given by Miss Susan, we can again ask Miss Susan, I would like to ask you some more questions, like do you have any discomfort or do you feel any pain after your surgery? So As once she has tell all the answers, we can say, thank you for answering my question, Miss Susan. So next is the third task, that is reassure on colostomy care. For example, adjust to colostomy bag over time, maintain hygiene, clean and dry, use mild soap only, etc. So here we can say, I can understand your concern, Miss Susan, regarding your colostomy care, but try not to worry. I will tell you or I will explain you in detail. Okay, so like this, we can say to the patient. So we can say to the patient, I understand your concern regarding the care of the colostomy bag. Firstly, regarding adjustment of the colostomy bag, it will take some time, and after once you have habit of this, it will be make it adjusted. Okay. So next, after that, we can also say to the patient, please keep this point in your mind that maintain proper hygiene and use mild soap to clean it and keep area dry. You might experience some irritations. Okay, and next point is provide way to prevent skin irritations. Apply barrier preventive cream, powder, fit bag well to avoid leakage, change bag regularly, etc. So for this we can construct the sentence like this: you might experience skin irritation, so I will provide some way to prevent. First, firstly, apply some protective creams or powder, and secondly, fit bag to prevent any leakage, and lastly, change the bag on regular basis. So, is that clear to you? Or may you can also say, did you get my points? Okay, so like this, we can explain the care or colostomy care to the patient as patient is having some eco concerns. Okay, so reassure means acknowledgement of the patient, that is very important in OAT role play, so that the patient can easily clarify their concerns. Okay, and at last, after explanation, please use these sentences like this: is that clear to you, or did you get my point? Because these points are very helpful in the understanding of the patient, to check the understanding of the patient. Okay, so next is the fourth task, that is discuss dietary modification, bracket smaller more frequent meals, gradual increase in fiber intake, stay hydrated, etc., and find out any concern or questions. Okay, so in this, like this, patient will ask you some questions like dietary modifications, and these are the concern which the patient is having. So as a nurse, we have to explain regarding the dietary modification to the patient. So we can start like this: as the patient will ask our questions, we can say, I understand your concern, or we can also say that that the question which you ask is good. Okay, that is a good question from your side. We can construct like this. So I was about to tell you, like this we can tell to the patient. Okay, so for this we can explain properly the dietary modification to the patient, that Miss Susan, you can take smaller meals in smaller portions, or eat more frequent meals, and gradually increase your fiber intakes along with the lot of drinks to stay hydrated. So like this we can construct this question. Okay, and after that we can also ask from the patient that he or that she is having any concern. So we can say, and do you have any other concern? Because here the second point is find out any concern or questions. So we can ask, and do you have any other questions or concern? So sometimes the patient will say that there is no any concern, but there is another task to explain. So for this we have to start on ourselves, like that okay, then I will tell you some this and this, okay. So like this we can but if the patient having concern, so that is a good point from their side, but don't confuse while patient said that she has no any concern, but your point is still, task is still to explain, so we can start from our end, okay. So in this last task, reassurance patients about the recovery phase, constant support, still fulfill social life, refer sport group counseling, etc. Emphasis adaptation to life after colostomy and takes time, patient, etc. Schedule a follow-up appointment next week. So for this we can say, I would like to tell you, yeah, let me discuss with you, don't worry, regarding your recovery phase, okay. So we can start it. I can understand your concern. It is quite difficult for you to manage this colostomy bag. So with the time, okay, so here we can say, with the constant support, we will provide you the constant support, and also don't isolate yourself, okay. So I will refer you some support groups and counseling groups so that they will help you in your recovery phase, okay. Like this we can construct the question sentence, okay. So and next also again another one is emphasis adaptation to the life. So we can say, I understand it is very difficult to manage after surgery, so need, for this you need patience and time also, okay. So like this we can tell to the patient. And last we can say, I will also meet you next week. In the meanwhile, if you have any question, do contact us, okay. So guys, this is all about this role play. So I hope you all understand, because with the points, different points and tasks I have explained with the construction of sentence. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.